Intimate hygiene for men is not something that comes up in conversations very often, even though there is a need to maintain proper cleanliness and maintain a hygiene routine to prevent infections and odor down there. However, in the last few years, the Indian market has seen a significant growth in personal care products and grooming products for men, including intimate wash products and brands specifically targeting intimate care for men. With the influence of social media, rise in disposable incomes, and changing mindset about masculinity, more men are investing in their personal care and grooming. A Mintel research suggested that men spend about 42 minutes per day on their grooming. But do men really need specific intimate wash products to maintain hygiene down there? Come, let's dive deeper in this video. What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra and I welcome you to my channel where I give you tips and insights on fashion, personal and beard care and self-improvement. So the big question today is that do men really need intimate washes? Not really, say most health professionals. The National Health Services in the United Kingdom, for instance, recommends that men simply wash their intimate region gently with warm water during every bath or shower. Dr. Rikasin Pereira, a dermatologist and venereologist with a clinical practice in Mumbai, suggests that men with skin infections avoid using intimate products completely. The intimate wash, irrespective of sweat, ensures if it is being used, the skin pH balance is not disrupted, he explains. At the same time, he agrees that no specific products are required to maintain intimate hygiene in that region, as it has its own cleansing mechanism. Regarding specific pH requirements, Mumbai-based urologist Dr. Malav Modi explains that while pH levels are important to monitor when it comes to secretions of body like urine and blood, in the case of intimate region of men, which is just skin and hair, pH levels are maintained mainly by self, or they're self-regulating and not of any special concern. Instead, doctors suggest some simple hygiene practices that help clean our private parts clean and infection-free. Fungal infections are prevalent among men in India because we live in tropical climates in most part of the country. To avoid them, Dr. Modi suggests that men keep intimate region dry, take showers regularly, and change undergarments daily. If you have an itch, avoid the urge to rub it and see a dermatologist soon. Keep it simple, don't complicate it, use a body wash with natural ingredients and water. I've made a detailed video on how you can create and maintain a grooming hygiene routine for your intimate parts. If you've not seen the video yet, I'll put a link in the description below, or you can see it on the card here on the left top of the screen. Do's and don'ts as recommended by doctors. The do's: clean the area twice a day with plain water or gentle soap. Trim pubic hair instead of shaving it. Wear 100% cotton undergarments and change them every day. Clean properly every day at least once with plain water to prevent accumulation of any dead skin. And the don'ts include, in case of sensitive skin, stay away from detergents, soaps and antiseptics. Avoid shaving with a razor. Don't self-medicate or use any antiseptic without doctor's recommendation. Stop using soap or detergent at the first sign of irritation. Don't go overboard with cleaning as it is a sensitive area. So let's conclude, and here is my final take on intimate wash products. I feel this product is totally unrequired in our lives and is a creation of marketing gimmick by the brands who are trying to sell it to us. A regular body wash with natural ingredients works just fine in combination with water. Our body has a natural way of maintaining the pH balance down there. There is no need to get specific products to do the same, and please don't worry about the pH levels for your intimate regions. Rather, invest in a very good body wash with natural ingredients. Well, I hope you guys liked this video and would find it useful in making your buying decisions and spend the money on something that you really need instead of products that are being marketed to you by the brands. Now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, it's time to reward you with a bonus tip. So here it is. Some brands might advise you to use talcum powders or sprays for your intimate areas. But I personally feel that it is really unsafe to use deodorants in such an intimate part of your body which is so sensitive. And next one is the talcum powders. So I completely don't like the way the powder tends to stick to your intimate areas when you start sweating, and it's a very uncomfortable situation. So here is what I recommend. If you have a general skin type and you don't have any infections or itchiness or dryness down there in your intimate area, please stay away from any kind of products. Just go for a regular wash product, which is your body wash with natural ingredients and water. That's it. Don't unnecessarily complicate the process. And if you experience dryness down there, then I would suggest that you should use a regular body lotion with natural ingredients once again. And as soon as there is a better solution in the market, I'll be the first one to tell you, please go ahead and use that one. Until then, just stay safe and stay away from intimate washes. Thanks a lot for tuning in, friends. I'll see you guys next week with another interesting episode and a video on my channel. Please stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Hit the subscribe button and like this video. Don't forget to do the same. It helps me grow the channel further. And always remember, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.